Tonight, we're doing a short head and neck Gua Sha routine designed to help your body shift out of go mode and into rest. Throughout the day, we carry a lot of tension in the jaw, neck, and shoulders. When these areas stay tight, the brain often interprets that as a signal to stay alert. Now that's the opposite of what we want before sleep. This routine tonight uses slow, gentle pressure and rhythm to send a message of safety, calm, and permission to wind down. You can do this sitting or lying down, using a Gua Sha tool, or even just your hands if that feels more accessible to you tonight. You'll also see me doing this routine with my LUMEBOX on. This is completely optional, but I like to use it as a bonus to support circulation and relaxation while I'm winding down. If you don't have yours yet, you can still absolutely get the benefits from this routine. Before we start, I love to apply a few drops of oil or moisturizer to the neck and jaw area. Step 1 is a neck sweep to downshift arousal. If you're using LUMEBOX, this is a great time to place it at the front or the side of the neck while we work on the back or the sides. Start by placing your Gua Sha tool at the top of your neck, just below the base of the skull. I like to use the long curved edge of my Gua Sha or the flat part of my palm, but there's no right or wrong way to do any of these. Use whatever feels best for you. Slowly glide downward toward the shoulder. Keep the pressure light to moderate. This is not about digging in. The neck is rich in nerves that communicate with the nervous system, so we want to use slow downward strokes here to help reduce sympathetic activity, that stay alert response, and instead support a shift towards relaxation. We're going to repeat this motion 10 times on one side and then switch. As we're doing this, make sure to breathe slowly. In through the nose, gently out the mouth. I find that if I've had a stressful day or a poor night of sleep, this alone can make a noticeable difference, just this breathing. Now bring the tool to the top of the shoulder, and again using that concave edge of the Gua Sha tool, or if you're using the hands, applying light pressure with your fingertips or your knuckles. Gently sweep outward, away from the neck towards the edge of the shoulder. Keep your movements slow and steady. If you find a tight spot, pause there for a breath or two before continuing. This movement is designed to release stored stress. We're doing this 10 times on one side and then switching. And stress often shows up physically in the shoulders first. When the shoulders stay lifted or tense, the brain receives a constant feedback that something still needs attention. So we're releasing this area to send the opposite signal. Again, we're doing 10 on each side, so I'm going to switch over to this side now. You can see how I'm using my knuckles. Okay, I've switched my LUMEBOX over to the other side. This move now is going to be a jaw release to calm emotional responses. Bring the Gua Sha tool to the jaw. Starting near the chin, I like to use the top of the love heart on my Gua Sha tool here. And if you're using your hands, your first 2 knuckles work well. So we're going to glide upward along the jawline to the ear. Use very light pressure here. We're going to repeat this 10 times on each side again. Let your tongue rest softly in your mouth. If you clench your jaw during the day or grind your teeth at night, this step is especially helpful. The jaw is closely linked to an emotional and stress response, so I find gentle release here can help quiet the mental chatter and reduce that wired feeling that often shows up right as you're trying to fall asleep. 10 on this side again. Now I'm going to reapply a little more oil here, just to the sides in the front of the neck and also to the forehead. One of these moves coming up, there's going to be some releasing tension at the front of the head. Now we're going to move to the side of the neck just below the ear, and using the flat pads of your fingers for this one, or the smooth long edge of your tool angled slightly flat against the skin, we're going to sweep downward towards the collarbone with slow, gentle strokes. Always moving down, never up. This area supports lymphatic flow and circulation. So this gentle movement here can help reduce that heavy or puffy feeling. We might often get this in the morning when we wake up, so I also love to do this flow then too. Most importantly for sleep, these slow strokes can reinforce those feelings of safety. Just soak it in with a slow breath in through the nose, long exhale out through your mouth. Move to the other side. So if you're using your fingers, you can just run your fingers from the bottom of the ear to the collarbone like this. I'm going to keep using my Gua Sha tool here. We're going to finish by placing the tool at the center of your forehead. I again like to use this flat edge of the tool, but there's really no right or wrong way to do any of these. With my hands, I like to just use my fingertips. Now I love this move to just quiet my mind before bed. We're going to slowly sweep outwards towards the temples. Repeat several times. We're going to do 10 again on each side. To keep breathing here. Long exhale through the nose. And a slower, even slower exhale out the mouth. If that felt good, we're going to gently glide up into the scalp, moving back towards the crown of the head. Also use this long edge of the Gua Sha to cover a larger area. This is a good one again for 3 fingers in the middle of the forehead. Reducing those racing thoughts, we're transitioning from thinking to resting. And there you have it. 5 minutes of Gua Sha, great to throw into your wind down routine before bed, and also to habit stack with your LUMEBOX. This is why I love LUMEBOX over a mask, for example, because you can actually do your Gua Sha routine while using red light therapy. Just take a moment to notice how your body feels now compared to when you started. Maybe you're feeling a little looser in the upper body and relaxed in the lower. This routine isn't about perfection. It's about giving your nervous system the green light to relax and let your body do what it naturally knows how to do. If this felt good tonight, you can return to it anytime your body needs help unwinding. And like I said, maybe even try it as one of your 3 wind down cues over the next few days. Repetition is what helps habits stick.